We were told to turn right at the light, left towards Bryce, and go straight through the roundabout, and then see signs for Mossy Cave, and we'll find a cave and a pond at the end of a trail. But we're still looking for a roundabout.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4,
It's Mossy Cave's in a half mile, we found it! Woo woo! Parking's a shit show. And of course, you're not allowed to take man's best friend on a fucking trail to a pond. So the fluff nuggets had to wait because God forbid.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation.
Well,
stay away from
we found a shit on the lens. We found the Mossy Cave and it wasn't very impressive, but the waterfall was cool. And the push-up challenge continues. Good thing we went and got the dogs because it was too hot in the vehicle for baby dogs. Now, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what we're gonna do now. There's some beautiful rocks out here in Bryce Canyon. Crystal clear water. Good company. Good times. It's all about having good times.